A lot of people today want to build, right? But customer centricity is somehow goes out of the window. So how do lenders keep this in mind when they are building products, especially for MSME, kind of businesses which are very different. Each MSME is different from another.
Correct.
How do you build products for them? How do you scale an MSME business line? It's something that I think we want to understand from you.
No, I think the fundamental core principle is go back to the basics.
Okay.
ये वाला वो घूम फिर के कहानी वहीं की वहीं है कि अगर आपको चिड़िया की आंख में अगर तीर मारना है, that's the pseudonym for hitting the right spot.
Yeah.
किसी ने एक बार तेंदुलकर को पूछा था कि भाई आप वर्ल्ड के नंबर 1 बैट्समैन हैं, सब कुछ तो आपने कर लिया है, तो अभी भी सुबह आप 5-6 बजे उठ के चले जाते हैं फील्ड पे, ना 10 50 60 200 500 बॉल मारते हैं. His reply was that I'm just perfecting my stroke.
Okay.
Now look at who's perfecting the stroke. The guy who's like a great of Bradman types. He's the epitome of cricket, and he's like the god of cricket. He's also doing that, which means you have to do it. तो आपको वो जो practice है, which means that the product guys, the sales guys or the business guys, I think they need to keep on meeting the customer. You need to keep on meeting the customer. उसकी requirement क्या है, उसकी दिक्कत क्या है, am I giving a solution or am I giving him a patchwork? ना ये चीज़ें आपको पता चलेंगी जब आप फील्ड पे जाएंगे. जब मैं वो लेडी से मिला था जो नारियल पानी दे रही थी, तो मेरे को उससे जो समझ में आई कहानी, ये मैं कभी भी अपने रूम में बैठ के नहीं समझ सकता था. मुझे अगर आके को मुझे समझाता भी, मैं समझ नहीं पाता. बट ना जब मैं समझा तो मैंने उनके लिए प्रोडक्ट निकाले, प्रोडक्ट विच इज सूटेड फॉर हर रिक्वायरमेंट. ऑफ कोर्स you cannot be too niche because ultimately you are running a company.
Yeah.
But can you come out with solutions or services which can cater to the large requirement which is unheard of because you have not seen that requirement? तो आपको तो फील्ड पे जाना पड़ेगा. Go back to the basics.